make sure we pay our dues, so it's just a £1 charge. Alright. Alright, hi folks. So today me and Jake are at St Ninian's Cave. This is often called the birthplace of Catholicism in Scotland. So St Ninian was a Roman Catholic, and it's said that he brought Catholicism and Christianity to Scotland in the year about late 300s, so a long time ago. And even till today we still have pilgrimages to the site. So there's the St Ninian's Way that comes through this cave, every year. So a really important site for Christianity. Now St Ninian wasn't really that well known in his day, he's actually become famous after, so it wasn't really till the 700s when people started coming here to practice Christianity. And that's it there. And you might recognise this. This was actually in The Wicker Man, the movie with Christopher Lee, and this is at the end, look at the climax. So yeah, St Ninian's Cave. Alright, so hi folks, so we're here today visiting St Ninian's Cave, but we also are going to have a look at the beach, which we might do as a separate video, looking for what we can find. So we're going to be looking at a strand line for egg cases and anything else that's quite interesting. So just here folks, what we found is a small spotted cat shark mermaid's purse. So this is a small shark, but the species we're really interested in is also called the greater spotted dogfish, and it's related to the small spotted cat shark. So as you can see here guys, so this is a skate mermaid's purse. It's much broader point here, and then the cat sharks is much narrower and slender. So where do you find these? Look at them on the strand line, and the strand line's where the seaweed lies. That's where you'll find them. So do look out for a slightly bigger one of these, because it might be in our set.
Here we find a cave troll exploring this cave.
Yeah, it's like a cave troll. So right here what we have is scurvy grass, and scurvy grass is not a grass at all, it's actually a flowering plant. But the reason they call it scurvy grass is that back in the day they used to use it to treat scurvy because it's full of vitamin C, so they used to give this to sailors, and that's why they call it scurvy grass. So on this rock you can see a number of species of lichen, including this very bright yellow one, and this is called sunburst lichen. Here we've got sea ivory, this white one, and over in these rocks over here, this paler yellow one, this is called map lichen. And lichens are amazing sources of proven good air quality. So if you've got rocks like this, it's a really good sign that the air is really good.
Recording all the things. What you got? What kind?
Oyster, I think.
Oyster.
So just here what we can see in this fallen tree is some woodpecker holes. There's actually 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of them, which is quite unusual actually. I don't suspect they're using it anymore by the looks of it, but at one time it had woodpeckers. So we're here on our walk towards St Ninian's Cave, and what we've noticed is a few strange species. There's actually a eucalyptus tree here, which is an Australian species, and then over there was actually a false acacia. Oh man, Jacob, move.
What is it?
Stone chip.
Nice.
Right.
So we're here at St Ninian's Chapel. Right now there's a bit of scaffolding going on because it's a masonry work that needs done. But this is 700 years old. It was probably built in the 1300s to replace a narrower one that was here previously. Pilgrims would come here and they would stop here first and then travel into Whithorn. The landing point that would come in is right here actually. Just a natural bay in it that would provide a safe spot for them to land here.
What the?
Wait. Why has it done that to me, right?
Oh yeah, so if you look here folks.
Wait. Go again.
Whee! Oh. I haven't got the bottom for this. Alright, so hi folks. So to me, today we're going to the historical site. So this is often called the Burn. Oh, I wasn't even filming.
Were you not?
We'll do it again.